Why is Los Angeles housing market a good investment? The Los Angeles housing market is in transition again, since there are a decrease in home purchases and an increase in the number of homes on the market. Fortunately, bidding wars are becoming less common and buyers are having an easier time getting their offers accepted around the asking price. There is still a short supply of inventory, which is just under 4 months. Therefore, it's still a seller's market. The median price in Los Angeles is just under $800,000, and the average days on market is 57 days. What's going on with the rents? Are they going up or down in Los Angeles? The rents in Los Angeles are slightly higher than the rest of the state. For real estate investors, the fastest growing rents in Los Angeles Metropolitan area, which includes Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, San Bernardino, and Ventura Counties. Here are a few cities where rents are growing: Yucca Valley, San Bernardino, Costa Mesa, Inglewood, Laguna Beach, and Santa Ana. So, what's the housing market forecast in 2023? Let's take a look. Hello, my name is Herbert McGurk, a real estate agent for Social Impact. Thank you for watching my video. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, or like. What's the housing market going to look like in 2023? The housing market is cooling down, but the prices will unlikely drop and the rate of increase will be modest. Although there will be an increase in supply, decrease in demand, there is still a shortage and still a large number of individuals who can and want to buy. Over the last few years, prices have trended higher and have benefited sellers. Today, higher mortgages are slowing home price appreciation. Zillow forecasts of LA Metro home values will decline 4.7% from December 2022 to December 2023. And in Los Angeles, is the housing market a good investment? LA is believed to be one of the premier markets for investors and homeowners. When people think of investing in Los Angeles, it has consistently performed as a leader in long-term investment opportunity. You always get back your money or make a profit. How does one invest in Los Angeles? Apartment buildings are the most common way. Usually 1 to 2 bedroom apartment complexes. Single-family homes make up about 40% of the housing units. Due to the last several years of accelerated appreciation, investors have benefited from rentals rather than flipping properties. In 1979, the Rent Stabilization Ordinance established the basis of the current regulations in Los Angeles. This applies to all rental units in specific cities in Los Angeles. Single-family homes and condo units are generally exempt unless they are owned by a real estate investment trust, a corporation, or an LLC where one of the members is a corporation. If you are purchasing apartment units, you have to be very aware of the restrictions since relocating a long-term, low-rent tenant is very expensive. Therefore, be aware of your return on investment and a strategy for a long-term hold. If you want to avoid rent control restrictions, make sure your single-family home that you intend to rent out does not have a granny flat or upstairs apartment that is being rented out. The rental market is seeing 1/3 of LA residents with incomes over $100,000 a year renting rather than buying, thus driving up the price for luxury rentals. Where are the hidden deals? Every city has distressed properties. Since Los Angeles has so many selected areas, there are some places that have less competition: Vermont Vista, Hyde Park, and Wilmington. Foreclosures are also providing an opportunity in Woodland Hills, Silmar, San Fernando Valley, and Granada Hills. How do you invest in Los Angeles? California is the 6th largest economy in the world. Los Angeles is the 11th largest economy in the world. Not everybody wants to invest in the most expensive and competitive market. For many homebuyers, affordability has dropped. Only 30% of LA County residents own their own home. Yet, there are many homes that are still at a fair price. For investors, the demand for apartments for rent is still very strong. This is fueled by a tight inventory, severe competition for tenants, rising wages, and a good economy. The most important factor in buying rental property is location, location, location. A great location creates desirability, and desirability brings demand. There is no question. LA is attractive for residential real estate investors, making it harder for the first-time buyer to compete. Here are some of the best areas for investors: El Sereno, Wilmington, West Hills, Mid-Century, Northeast, and Highland Park. As I mentioned, if you are an investor, make sure you do your homework and make sure you have a well-managed return on investment. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Herbert McGurk, a real estate agent for social impact. I give 10% of my commission to a charity of your choice in your name for every transaction we complete. I look forward to your comments. Please subscribe, comment, or like, and I'll see you on my next video.